Well, the original sentence of 4 months and 1 day, so all of the charges that were against them, the guilty sentence was confirmed. But the difference was that the punishment was given with a suspended sentence. This is more or less along the lines of what people had expected in the original trial. I spoke with one of the Islamist lawyers who were pleading the case against the Femen activists, and he said as much himself that a guilty verdict would be enough to satisfy them, and that they weren't necessarily looking for them to serve prison time. So this is perhaps a stepping down a little bit on the behalf of the judiciary, and trying not to avoid any entanglements, particularly concerning the fact that the French President François Hollande is scheduled to visit in the coming weeks, and so having French prisoners, particularly those who had been protesting peacefully, is maybe not something the Tunisian government wants on its hands right now. Well, tonight they should be free to pick up their things and leave the country. They did say today that they regretted the action. Josephine, at least the German activist, said that she had regretted doing it, and she apologized. A different tack than they had taken the first time around, and something that Femen itself denounced, saying that they must be under pressure from the part of the judiciary. But probably certainly no plans for these young women at this point to take up protests again, at least not in Tunisia.